Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores, and today I'm going to show you how to save time by making two delicious meals. Tomatoes are in peak season, so we've got an assortment of tomatoes to make a delicious marinara sauce, and then a tasty tomato bisque. I've just showed you how to save time by making two delicious meals. An amazing marinara sauce, and then we took some of that marinara and made an unbelievable tomato bisque. For more great recipes and ideas, be sure to visit Heinens.com.